Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you some tricks to construct the unit circle. By the end of the video, you should be able to construct the unit circle correctly and quickly. So let's get started. Starting from 0 degrees, we are going to label 45 degrees and all its multiples. And we all know that 45 degrees is equivalent to pi over 4 radian. So we're going to use that to move in the counterclockwise direction, and we're going to label all these angles with their radian measure, starting from 0 radian, because 0 pi over 4 radian is 0 radian. Next, 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, and 8 pi over 4. In a similar manner, we are going to label 30-degree angle and its multiples. Again, we're going to be moving in a counterclockwise direction. We'll be counting 1 times 30 degrees, 2 times 30 degrees, 3 times 30 degrees, and then 4 times 30 degrees, 5 times 30 degrees, 6 times 30 degrees, 7 times 30 degrees, 8 times 30 degrees, 9 times 30 degrees, 10 times 30 degrees, 11 times 30 degrees, 12 times 30 degrees, that will be 360 degrees. Next, we're going to label them with their radian measure. 30 degrees is equivalent to pi over 6 radian. We're going to use that to label these angles. Again, we're going to be going in a counterclockwise direction. So starting with 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 6 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6, 9 pi over 6, 10 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, 12 pi over 6, which is 2 pi. Finally, we get to label these angles with their xy coordinates. Let's label the 4 quadrantal angles and get them out of the way. That's 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. Next, we need to take care of the signs of all the x and y coordinates. So let's take a look at each quadrant. For quadrant 1, both x and y are positive. Quadrant 2, x is negative, but y is positive. For quadrant 3, both x and y coordinates are negative. For quadrant 4, x is positive, y is negative. Let's fill in the signs for all these coordinates. We only need to worry about the negative signs. So let's put in the negative signs. Next, we are going to fill in all the denominators with 2. Next, we're going to take a look at quadrant 1 and 2. They're both above the x-axis. Going upward, the numerators are square root 3, 2, 1. Coming downward back to the x-axis, the numerators are also square root 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look at quadrant 3 and 4. This time, we're going to go from the x-axis downward. The numerators for the x coordinates also square root 3, 2, 1. Going back up to the x-axis, all the numerators for the y coordinates are also square root 3, square root 2, square root 1. And we have just finished constructing the unit circle using all the tricks I've just shown you. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I hope to see you in my next video.